welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into configuring Webmail into Bitrix24, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So for the configuration of Webmail, we have to click on the Webmail option. Here is the Webmail option in the left side corner. You can get that. Also, you can see my Webmail is already connected. If you want to connect your Webmail, then you have to just click on the connect option. Here you will get the all email services provider. If you want to configure the webmail using Gmail server, then you can use this Gmail. If you want to look Outlook integration, then you can do that. If any custom related mailbox is there, then you can use the custom mailbox option. Here you have to put your webmail ID, IMAP password and ports, and you have to log in just once. So after the settings, your ID will be automatically logged in here, and from this you can directly email from the CRM. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.